Basbaas. This is a Somali product. It's made in the US. The owner has kind of brought this very typical condiment to the States. Really cool, very flavorful. This one's got tamarind, dates in it. So we're gonna fold that into basically like a hummus, minus the tahini. And it's just gonna be this really simple dip that we serve with pita. So let's get started. Should be only like a 10-minute dish. Here we go. So the chickpea dip is really, really simple. We're obviously gonna start with that basbaas sauce, some chickpeas. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna have a little bit of lemon. We're gonna top with some chopped cilantro. And we're just gonna add a couple roasted garlic cloves in there. And then it all gets served with kind of this nice pita flatbread just to dip away with. So in the blender, starting with about a cup or so of chickpeas, a bit of olive oil, get the lemon juice in there. You can always adjust this later. A couple garlic cloves. Those are roasted off. You can use raw, then probably just put in one if you're using raw. A touch of salt. And then I'm gonna throw in just a spoonful of this Smoky Basbaas date tamarind sauce. Huge flavor. Just gonna blend that up. Looks about good. Tiny bit of cilantro. Get a bigger knife for that. So we're just gonna chop that up nice and fine. Now to plate, we're just gonna pour this beautifully silky chickpea hummusy dip down. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit more of this sauce and just swirl it in. And that's gonna kind of give it an extra little kick over the top. And finally, a touch more of that olive oil and a little bit of that cilantro for green. I mean, that's it. That's 5 minutes. We're gonna serve it up with this pita. 5 minutes, super simple.